Menakasi sejan nakaliang jogi katu kat ningut ki samla pulih ki bade ban yakun ya ka CUET exam ki lawan ban pensngo sya ka sarkar halor ka jing shim jingeh jogi ban yakun ya kan ka exam nakadaw ba ki ngat ban tho exam shabar jong ka jylla ha ka bayade ba kani nakaliang jong Myntri ka tnat Pule Puthi Rakkam A Sangma mentakasngi ha ka jing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor ulaya thu bakani ka jingeh ka bami ka de nakadaw jong ka NTA lani katakan National Testing Agency ka baju pelong yang kini ki exam bakam don kata ka jing pentip lani ka jing shim jing mut lang napo ka sorkar jylla ha ka bayde bakani hi nakaleng jo ka sorkar jylla kala dap bantho sya kibor badai pej halor kani ka jing jong ki khna pulih bat kumjuru nakaleng jong ka jong ki brio jong kani ka NTA hi la syai ka sngi kitsawan her syapo shillong bakin pej ya kata ki bakin pej halor kata ka jing penbit penbiang ya kini ki jakat ho exam hang ni po ka jylla nalon nang ni nakaleng ka sarkar kala shimkhia ru bahkan pha ban kham penjelan ya kani ka tarik ban tho exam khnang bakini ki khna ki bom pat yo ban leit chabar jong ka jylla ban thoi kani ka exam kini yo ban chim bentah ha kani ka exam nalor kini nakaleng Myntri ula penchai ru ya kiwe pat kimat te yai ne bat ngi ha kani ka khubor.
Look, on this issue, our Honorable Chief Minister has taken up the matter at the highest level. Our Honorable Chief Minister had met Honorable Union Minister of Education, Government of India yesterday, and he praised the issue, and like this can be late because exam is being started tomorrow. The problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government because they directly communicate one day or 2 days before the exam schedule. So this is a problem. So exam start tomorrow. Some of the students has already left for the exam for a different location. So we can do anything on that. So but however, after the taking up the matter by Honorable Chief Minister in Delhi yesterday, so the NTA contacted the state government for identifying the more computer center, and we are on the job. So I think they will come for inspection. The TCS Tata Center, they are coming tomorrow or day after, and I mean that process will take maybe 1 day or 2 days time. So after that, I think and we're also writing another letter by now only that to defer those students who are not immediate, that means by tomorrow or day after, so to defer the exam. So I think so let's see what outcome from tomorrow and day after, because the NTA, they have sending the team for inspection about the center that we have identified more. Look, the problem is, we don't want to blame, of course, but the problem is NTA did not communicate to the state government. So we don't know the problems. They only communicate directly to the students. We have identified the center already, but they should have informed the state government this is not enough, right? But they have to inform us that they have just allotted like this. So therefore, but since now, I'm sure, but those students which are going to have exam maybe after this week, I think definitely those exam will be differ, and they will be relocated assured by the NTA, as assured by the NTA. So we are on the job. Look, for the tomorrow, some students has already left, those who are nearby. So we can otherwise, if we do so, again another confusion will arise. So but for all those students outside the state, I mean part like Port Blair, Zarkhan, and I'm here, I think those are allocated after 19, if I'm not wrong, the days are 19. So but for that, I think we can sort it out this weekdays. So we're expecting for all the students who got allocation center in the different far location. I think that will be addressed. That detailed record is not with us, and we also don't know the exact number of the detail. We also don't know, because look, the problem is NTA don't communicate to the state government. That is a main problem. NTA should appoint a full-fledged nodal officer in the state, and we will be writing on that. So NTA should have informed the state government properly in time, so that we can take the necessary measure, necessary steps, so that our students will not face problem. But however, now after knowing this issue, Honorable Chief Minister is quick to react on that, and he even met Honorable Minister of Education Government of India, and he pressed and dispatched the letter, and I think we are on the job. It is not our state government decision, but we are working on the different alternative. Therefore, we have established a state university. Those colleges who will be affiliated with the state university, they don't need to undergo CUT entrance examination for the admission. That is another option. Number one, look, NTA is a prerogative of the MTA, right? It's an agency. They have to conduct because it is their decision, right? So we can do anything on that, right? So some are applied, but the process is also going on, right? Because since many have already applied to apply for the CUT, whether they take admission in the central university affiliated colleges or not, they will. I think it's after this. I mean, many of this. I mean, students already applied for the to face this examination. I think they are going ahead. Exact number of exams I don't know, but because NTA don't communicate to us. But the latest development is NTA has communicated with state government to identify 200 200 computer more having all the facility. So we have identified those, and we have identified the infrastructure, and we have communicated to the NTA, and they are coming tomorrow to inspect whether they 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 fulfill the criteria on it. Yeah. It is not about the state or the center, but it is clear those colleges affiliated to the central university, they have to undergo this examination. That's all. Simple as simple, right? So therefore, we will request the institutions. Why should we face this kind of challenge again and again and again? So if they can affiliate to the state university, right? That is simple as simple. It is going on. Those who are on the process of appellation, they can start admission. It is not an issue with the state university. We are ready in all respect. Yeah, no, definitely we will be taking up the matter again and again and again, but till we get permission. But it is, look, this is so I don't know what the NT is doing. It's last year also had the same issue. This also has the same issue. Maybe look, the problem is, had NTA communicated to the state government in time, we could have done all the required measure. Honorable Shim also has already written, and we are writing today also that to 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 defer all the exams of other states. I mean, students who have allocated in a far flung location from the state. Office is functioning, right? We are correct. Office is functioning from the DRT annex in Shillong, but however, for the complete office, we are looking for the space. No, yeah. If you have the land, if you have the building, you can get it. So that's the issue, and we were planning to. Yes, no, that's we have already written to the urban affairs department to allocate the land for us at New Ceylon or anywhere. But however, for temporary courses, we were supposed to use a business complex, but Nehu has taken up the matter with the High Court, saying challenging the ownership status of the business complex. So let the court decide the matter first. I don't have the story detail with me, but Nehu also claiming that this is belong to the Nehu, and the state government also be saying so. I don't have a detailed record with me, so maybe the Nehu has challenged the ownership of the business complex. So let the court decide now. We are exploring now. We are finding the location now from where we can start the temporary campus for the Ceylon.
To hakani ka por ngi na ka congress ngi pynpaw ki jing sngewkhia ya kani ka notice ka bami mnemo na po honorable education minister po tho ba Kidang ya terekam mentah banwat jing tip syapang kata ke jing dan kam jong ki kena ban syong ya tu ka CUET examination nga syukwa man keli man kentui ki ba mentah khat arbanai ki le yu namar ba ka sarkar iru kadan be gedita kat nungur ki kena ki ba atemi kelas 12 kat nungur ki kena ki ba pass kat nungur ki kena ki ba apply ki college ba per kata ka ik bla dan lupa teladang isim tang di percentage yang keturu ngila la ban tip ya ka kat nungur ki kena la da ka de sipo hajan ngut la da ka de kendai hajan la da ka de khatsan tekan yu ka sarkar ban wat ita ki komputer ki ba per ki jaka ba per ban shim ni tu data ban ai sipo ka TCS kata Tata Consulting Services kenang ba maki kila ban register gitu ban penyat kam menta kendit ban riu ha kapor ka bala khim ha baki khna menta kimyo ban chong exam hang ne po shilong kimyo ban chong exam hang ne Meghalaya hi bro ko bai kin hab mi nang ni na ban le exam sabar namar bangim don than ki computer dang men ne ngai itu project director udang permi ha po Instagram ula hab shim kabu ba pen ban mi Instagram ban ada ke QR code ban ong iki khna ban pendap ikata ka Google form means unang wat jing tip menta kat ngut ki khna ki bara ngat banile exam sabar kimla ban khen lupan do ban shua kani ka pin ifi jong ka jing telot jong kani ka sarkar ka telot adu kan no bat ka pin i ba kam syong kam shimkhia ai ru em na mata ka lawe jong ki khna jongi na mata ka lawe jong kani ka state hi brokoi bat kani ka country hi brokoi ka pin i ka jing telot adu kat ni bat kani kan ban ong ba ka jing deko jong ka jat ban ri jongi hang ni king so ong ba ka khta ka concentration jong sarkar kam dan ka education department ka khen sting hadu kan ne kadi ke bangi hi na po kaliang ka congress ni dai pen i ke jing sngewkhia ban ngasngo bo pa ba hi pro khoj hi ke de man pen i ke ni jing sngewkhia par kadi ke bala shule kam kai se ba palat khat ar banai khlam tre kam mata kan dit ban rio pisang ban khi stang ban I press release pisang ban khi kumni kal along pen i jing pen thame ba jing pen comic ro kom tre kam yoki tangi ta hi ngas snow bangi na ka congress ngi condemn hadu ka ta hi ka ni ke ban im kwa ba ka de ya ka lawe jong jat ban rio jungi ban dan ti hakini ki brio ki ba dan kita ka jing sunyau ba ka jing shimkhia ya ka future jong ki student ba jong ki khna jungi